The first thing and the foremost thing is interest. It's passion. You've got to be excited about what you're doing. If you're not actually interested in the nuts and the bolts, the technical details, how to actually get information from the people who are providing it to the site visitors, things like that, then there's no point even looking at it. So the first thing is to be interested in the subject matter, i.e. the nuts and the bolts, and also just the internet as a whole. The second thing I would say is the bulk of the work is hands-on, it's programming, it's creating things. So computers are extremely dumb, they don't understand very much, and so what you have to do is have the ability to be able to translate often vague, sometimes conflicting wishes of clients and colleagues into very explicit, very detailed instructions for a computer that will blindly follow them. So above all, it's the capacity for rational thought. It's being able to deconstruct a problem into a set of simple instructions that a computer can follow, and it then will provide an approximation of what the customer actually wants. A lot of the day-to-day problems with programming is not actually the typing of the words, it's the working out how to express your problem or how to rework your problem so that the code will work when circumstances change and things like that. So it's a bit like, if you like playing with Lego, it's a bit like building Lego models all day. You're constantly building them up, pulling them apart again, rebuilding them, reconnecting them, things like that. The final thing I would say is communication skills, that it's not the case that programming skills are enough. You have to be able to effectively explain what you're doing to both clients and colleagues. You have to be aware of the business imperatives of what you're doing, so you can't just sit in your bedroom and create something because it interests you. The real world it's very much a case of achieving the balance between what the client wants, what the project managers want, which is generally they want something done tomorrow, and what is achievable and technically possible. The very obvious route in is to study computer science at degree level, and then to take those skills and to move into effectively a job based on what you've learned at university. In my own case, that didn't happen. I wouldn't say it's strictly necessary. You have to be interested and capable, but a lot of it can be learned on the job, and in fact, I would say that is the key element of training, is actually just doing. It's a case of you do something once, and it will be a first pass, and it will all seem bewildering, and it won't be very good. You do it again, you keep on doing it, and as time goes on, it will get better and better, and you'll have much more of an idea about how to go about creating systems that run the web.